Are you guys struggling to grow your TikTok following? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your first 1,000 TikTok followers as soon as possible. I'm going to show you step by step how you can do this. I'm really excited to bring this video to you guys. I think you're going to find a ton of value in this video. If you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. But I have a ton of videos on how to grow your YouTube channel, how to start an online business, and of course, how to do affiliate marketing. So if you guys want to learn more, I'm going to be coming out with videos almost every single day. So hit subscribe, guys. Hit the notification bell. Let's go ahead and get started. So guys, if you've noticed, I've been doing a lot of TikTok content lately. But the reason is because I've been seeing a ton of results on TikTok. As you know, YouTube is my main platform. That's like what I focus on mostly. But in the past few weeks, TikTok it's been sending me a ton of traffic to my affiliate links. I've been getting a ton of sales, a ton of email leads, and a ton of traffic. So I want to talk more about how you can grow your TikTok following and how it can grow your business. But this video specifically, we're going to be talking about how to get your first 1,000 followers, because as you know, when you get your first 1,000 followers, you get to go live. You typically get a link in your bio and you get a ton of features rolled out. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. So the first step when getting your first 1,000 followers is first, you want to join my Facebook group, and I'm going to show you why, okay? So if you go to my Facebook group, Passive Income Lifestyles, I have this TikTok train, okay? So if you go to my group and under units, I have this TikTok train where you can basically add your TikTok account, and you can go ahead and people are going to go ahead and follow your account, and they're going to follow your account. This is the first way that that you can do this, okay? You can see over 400 comments of people following each other, supporting each other, stuff like that. So, right away, you're going to get 200 to 400 followers just in my group alone, okay? You can see right here, people are following each other. They add their link, and that's it, okay? So that's the first way to do it, but let's get into the actual method, okay? And I have a step-by-step process on how to do this, okay? Okay, guys, what we do, okay? The first step is to figure out the audience you want to solve a problem for. This, so obviously, you can, a lot of people say pick your niche, pick an audience you want to serve, stuff like that, okay? So if we go to my profile, guys, you know exactly what I'm trying to do, okay? So you see I'm trying to help people leave the 9 to 5. I'm helping people, make money online, stuff like that, okay? So I'm very specific in the audience I'm trying to serve, okay? So a lot of people will just have an account with random stuff, okay, guys? You have to be very specific on who you're trying to serve, okay? So if you're, in the health and fitness niche, be very specific on your profile and the content you create and the hashtags you use, which I'll talk about in step 2. But that's the first thing, guys. You have to be very, very specific. Once you do that, let's move on to step number 2, okay? Step number 2 is see what hashtags your competitors are using, okay? So I wrote down some of the hashtags that my competitors were using when I first started. Now, what I recommend, guys, is basically going on TikTok and doing research on your competitors, okay? So I'm going to just pull up a few, okay? So you can see I'm going to make money online hashtag, and you can see there's a ton of videos on there, okay? Now I'm just going to pick a few of these people here and see what hashtags they're using, okay? So the first one here, I'm just going to pick someone from the top here. Let's see. So this one right here, okay? This video that this guy created, you can see the hashtags he's using is job tips, side hustle, hashtag make money online, hashtag work from home, hashtag home-based business, hashtag Apple, okay? So what I want to do is just start copying these hashtags and seeing what other people are using, okay? So I'm just going to see here. I wrote down some of these already, but I'm just going to write these down in here, and this is going to really help me do my research, okay? So something like hashtag Apple I probably wouldn't use, but anything like job tips, side hustle, make money online, that's the type of hashtags my competitors are using, okay? So let's go to another one here. For example, here's another one. I actually know this Grace, Little Mama. She has an amazing TikTok channel. But anyways, I'm going to go, I'm going to take some of her hashtags here, and I'm going to use some of hers that she used, okay? And you want to start making notes of the hashtags that your competitors are using, okay? I got one more here. Living Delightful Freedom. She's in the program I promote, Legendary Marketer. She has an amazing TikTok channel as well. So I'm going to actually copy these. And guys, now we're going to start building out this list, okay? So you can see the hashtags that we can use now. And these are the hashtags your competitors are using, okay? Now it's really going to help because I'm going to show you how to create a good caption in a little bit. But step 2 is about doing your research, okay? Okay, let's move on to step 3 is start looking for the right trends to follow. Okay, so this is also a research phase, but basically we want to look at certain things like music trends, hashtag trends, which we already did, dance trends, voice trends. Okay, so what that means is in TikTok, if you're not familiar with it, you can do basically there's certain music that is that TikTok is trying to push. Okay, so as you're doing your research, if you're on the For You page, as you're doing your research, you can see the trending music. Okay, so what you want to do is create videos around that trending music. Okay, so for example here, okay, I'm going to show you a video that I created using just a video sound. Okay, now with this sound, you'll notice I didn't speak at all I'm using is the trending music. Okay, let me just show you here. Okay, but what I want to show you here is this right here, this after party music. Okay, so what you can do is you can find trending music and you can create a video based on that. Okay, so you want to start looking at these trends, guys. It's really gonna help you grow because you got to understand TikTok's trying to push artist music out. Okay, so this is one thing you'll notice I didn't even speak in this video. This is just me literally just showing someone something with the music in the background. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, so that's one thing I want you guys to understand, okay, is I'm using a lot of music in my TikTok videos. Okay, so even here I'm talking, but in the background there's music. Okay, so let me go to let me see this one right here. I think I'm losing my mind. So you'll notice I didn't speak again, but I'm using this music right here, okay? But I haven't said a word. I haven't said anything in this video. Okay, so what I want you guys to understand is I'm using a lot of music trends, okay? A lot of music that's popular right now. Okay, so this is something you do in your research as you're going through the For You page. You look at what's popular. Okay, we already did the hashtag trends. We already figured that out in step 2, but that's also very important to see what's trending as far as hashtags. Okay, also, you know, if you like to do any of the dances, you can do some of the dances here. I've done a little bit of the dances. I'm not you know, obviously I'm not a good dancer myself, but my sister actually helps me do some of these. But you can do this as well if you do want to do that. You don't have to do that, but you can see here I do some of the trending dances. I can't dance, by the way, as you can see. But you can see, you just want to start looking at the trends, okay? Last one here is the voice trends. So it's similar to the music trends, but it's like someone's voice in the background, okay? And you can use that and you could lip sync that, okay? So one thing you can do, okay? But look at the trends, guys. Look at what's working and model that, okay? It's very important. This is your research, okay? Step 4, guys, is very simply just start creating content, guys. Like for me, yesterday, I already have a pretty established following, but I actually posted, I think over 10 videos yesterday. So I think starting from this video right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 videos just yesterday, guys. So a lot of people just post a couple of videos and they won't even see like any results. Like you have to post a lot, right? And the thing is, it's not hard to post a TikTok video. You can do, you know, 10 videos in like 30 minutes, right? I mean, if you really want to. You can see this video went somewhat viral, 24K, and that was just posted yesterday, right? So you can see some videos are gonna hit, some videos are not gonna hit. You just gotta keep testing things out, okay? So that's one thing, guys. You gotta be very consistent. For me, I'm trying to hit 5 to 10 videos a day because I really, really want to grow my TikTok as fast as I can, okay? But for you guys, if you're doing 1 a day, stick to that 1 a day, okay? Or whatever you're trying to do, okay? So I'm going to go back here. But you just want to start creating a massive amount of content, guys. Just very simply just start creating content, okay? Okay, so now, guys, step number 5 is the difference between evergreen and trending content. Like I said, you want to create a massive amount of content, but you want to create evergreen and trending content interchanging, okay? So evergreen content is something that'll last forever, whereas trending content, it'll just last for, you know, a couple weeks, maybe a couple days, and it'll die out, okay? So for example, an evergreen content is something like this, okay? Let me see if I can pull this up. This is something like an evergreen content where I teach them how to do something. So I'm teaching how to do something with affiliate marketing, okay? And the reason this is evergreen is because, you know, this is a video that'll last forever and ever, right? So I don't have to create, you know, I can basically add this video and it'll be true in the next 5 to 10 years, right? Because I'm teaching someone something that will always be true, okay? That's the definition of evergreen content. Whereas trending content, like a dance or like a trending music or something like that, that'll basically die out, okay? But you want to do both, okay? You really just want to interchange it between evergreen content and trending content, okay? So please just you know, figure out what, you know, what works and what doesn't, but I want you guys to do both, okay? Okay. Number 6, again, guys, be extremely consistent. I'm going to say that again. If you're doing 5 videos a day, stay on 5 videos a day. If you can only do 1 video a day, that's totally okay, but just stay on 1 video a day. Don't just do 1 video and then, you know, like 4 days later do another video. You got to be consistent on this platform, guys. And the thing is, if we go back to step 4 on creating massive amount of content, you'll get a ton of followers. Okay, I just want to show you something really cool, okay? So I posted this yesterday, and you can see here that I had 16,444 followers. Okay, this was yesterday I posted this. Now, look at my followers now, over 16.8K followers. Now, why is that? I got over 400 followers in a day, and I want to show you why. Because I did over 10 videos yesterday, okay? So I'm really, you know, you got to think about every video you're trying to post, you're gonna have an opportunity to gain more followers for every single video. That's the power of TikTok, okay? So I just want you guys to kind of keep that in perspective, okay? All right, let's continue here. And then I just want to talk about how to use captions and hashtags to grow. Obviously, guys, we want to use hashtags that are smaller when we're first starting out. So we did our research. You see what's working, you see what's not. But the thing I want you to understand is I want you to use smaller hashtags. So, for example, this one right here, it's a longer tail hashtag, but when I mean smaller is it doesn't have that much views on that hashtag, whereas affiliate marketing has 8.8 million. It's going to be harder for you to rank on that hashtag, okay? So I want you to use smaller ones, anything between like, you know, 100,000 and below, and even really small ones like 1,000 followers is what I want you to use in the beginning, okay? And you have 150 characters inside a caption. I'm going to show you an example of one. Let's see one that did very well. This one did 24,000 views. I'm going to show you. Okay, so I have a quick little headline here. So make money playing video games, and then I have my hashtags, hashtag video game, hashtag video game girl, hashtag video game style. You can see here, these are, you can't see the numbers on these, but I did the research on these, and these hashtags are typically a lot smaller, okay? So like 150,000 and below. And remember, my account is a lot bigger, so I can go for the bigger hashtags now. But let me go to another example here. I think it was this one here. So you can see I'm going here. Goal is financial freedom, financially freedom. So even it's spelled even a little weird. Financial freedom, business starter. And so guys, obviously I'm trying to go for the hashtags that aren't as big. Okay, I want you guys to understand that. Okay, but what I'm saying is a lot of people will just do hashtag for you page, hashtag money, hashtag love, and those aren't going to bring you the followers and the views that you need, okay? I want you guys to understand that hashtag research is very important. And if you want a more in-depth video on the algorithm, I actually have a ton of videos on that. So make sure you take a look at those on my YouTube channel. I have those guys on how the algorithm works, okay? Okay, and then basically that's it, guys. I mean, that's the main part of it. The last thing I want to talk about is engage with your comments as soon as you can. So when you post a video, you know, you're gonna have people comment, and what I recommend is just reply to them. You know, engage with your audience, guys. And then one tip I recommend is not only engage with them, but ask them a question. So if they say, hey, you know, I love your content, keep doing more, just say, hey, what did you like about that content? And have them engage more. The more engagement you get, the more views you're gonna get to that piece of content. So guys, I hope this video was of value on how to get your first 1,000 TikTok followers. I'm going to be coming out with a ton more content on TikTok, and of course, you know, affiliate marketing, stuff like that. So guys, I would appreciate if you subscribe to the channel and check out this video here, guys. I think you're going to really like this one here. TikTok monetization secrets on how I did almost $4,000 with TikTok. So check that video out, guys. I think you're really going to like that one. But subscribe to the channel, guys. Comment on this video. Let me know if you have any questions on how to get your first 1,000 TikTok followers. And hopefully this video was of value, guys. And we'll talk to you guys soon. And God bless.